Hello everybody, this is Jorge Luis Portilla. Today's video is part of the English phonetics course, and today I'm going to explain the consonant sounds. So let's start. Breathe the sound B. B is represented with the letter B, and the place of articulation is bilabial, is plosive, and has example book and cup. The next one is D. D. For words has desk, sat, is alveolar and plosive. Continue with F. For family, laugh, fun, is labiodental and fricative. G. G. For girl, big, is velar and plosive. Continue with H. For head, hand, is glottal and fricative. The sound Y. Y. For yogurt, is palatal and approximant. The K. For word has king, rock, skull, is velar and plosive. Continue with O. O. For lion, pencil, is alveolar and lateral. The M sound for words has moon, arm, is bilabial and plosive. Continue with N. N. Nest, lion, is alveolar and stop. For pen, map, is bilabial and plosive. The R sound, run, room, is also alveolar and retroflex. The sound, sun, nuts, desk, face, is alveolar and fricative. The T sound, ten, goat, is alveolar and plosive. The F sound, fan, laugh, is labiodental and fricative. The W sound, wa, water, whale, is labial, velar, and approximant. This sound, zebra, quiz, beans, is alveolar and fricative. The ink, wink, running, is nasal, velar, and plosive. The sh sound for words has measure, is palatal, velar, and fricative. Continue with job, gym, jet, is palatal, velar, and affricate. The chef, fish, is palatal, velar, and fricative. The child, coach, lunch, is palatal, velar, and fricative. And affricate. Let's continue with 3. Mouth, is dental and fricative. And to finish, we have the D. This, mother, is dental and fricative. That is all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.